Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Sacred Light Technology. Copper Tensor Tools was rediscovered by Slim Sperling in the 90s. Even Tesla has worked with this specific sort of design, the coil, and he has done experiments proving the powers of pulling pain, both physical and energy and spiritual, emotional pain out of the body. These Acu Vac coils, and this one is my Daywalker model, literally can not only pull physical pain out of the body, but it pulls emotional stress out of the body. The way it works is, well, especially when you're twisting copper, you're leaving just a positive effect in the copper and pushing all the negative out. All the particles, the positive, negative particles inside are being twisted together, smashing together, and the negative moves away, and it leaves just a positive effect within the copper. And the coil keeps a constant flow. You see how even there's the closed loop and it goes through the coil. That keeps a constant motion, constant flow. And if you put the south end towards the pain, it pulls the pain through the bottom, and positive comes out back through the top and back in. It loops in. So it's literally pulling the negative out and putting positive back in your body. And you can see it's a very interesting design. Like I said, Nikola Tesla worked with these coil designs as well. And like Slim Sperling, they would even put beads on it or spherical capacitors to amplify the coil and the effect of the coil. And copper is just a very strong and powerful conductor as well, and it basically is a vacuum for negative pain, negative energy, and it pulls the energy and the pain through the south end and positive up and loops through the top. It's really powerful. It could be used for even emotional stress in the room. You point the south end at a crying baby, the effects can take up. It could be instantly, or it could take, you got to do it until you've experienced relief, but you can almost instantly start to feel the effects of the instrument. And it's scientific. There's nothing woo-woo about it. People put it in the metaphysical department because it also can relieve spiritual pain as well. So in some ways, people in the mainstream will frown upon that aspect of it, but it literally pulls physical pain out of the body if you put the physical pain towards the south end towards the physical pain. Even healing of bones, burns, all of that, it can help with the pain. It's not a cure. These are remedies. And it, like I said, it is a suction, a vacuum, and it pulls it through the bottom and out through the top is the positive. So these are the Acu Vac coils you can find at the mysticalspiralstore.com. Acu Vac. And I will be doing these little brief summaries for all my items. Welcome to Sacred Light Technology. My name is Castaldo, and Spiral out.